Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's Rachel from ER. Cue the music. There will be a music soon, I promise you. But either ways, welcome back to our channel, guys. I am so happy to be doing this video today. From the caption, you can see that I'll be doing an unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy M11. You guys, this phone is magic and I really love it. And just so you know, I made this video after doing the unboxing video, and I am using the Samsung M11 to actually do this particular scene. So you can see the camera quality and it's really nice. And I can't be here today because we're like in different locations, so I'll be alone doing this video. So yeah. Anyways, hope you like this video and remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Make people see this, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Let's go. So guys, this is the decks I'll be using, and just please forgive the angle. This is all I could do. So going straight into the unboxing, I got the package from Junior Express. Yeah, and it cost 62,200. I already opened it before just for the sake of confirmation, but yeah, I'll be doing the formal unboxing now. So this is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy M11. Oh my god, this is the package and it's really pretty. So on the side they write the Samsung Galaxy M11, as you can see here, and in front you can actually see like a design of the Samsung phone, and at the back usually there's no description at the back. Then at the bottom there's just a few things that they just put there for you to see. Not really anything, yeah, not really anything, just some information. So when you're opening it, there's a tag at the bottom here. This tag, can you see it? I hope you can see it. It's kind of like, sorry, a transparent tag, so you can just pull on that and bring out the phone. So that's what I'm doing. And so when you open it, this is the first thing you see. You see the Samsung warranty card and installation guide and all whatnot, you know, the documents that come with the phone. So you just take that out, and yeah, so the next thing you see is the phone, and it's so beautiful, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, control yourself. So when you bring out the phone, okay, first impression, it's not heavy. It's a really cute phone and it's really handy, you know, it's really pretty. I hope you guys can see that. So it's supposed to be in a color violet. Yeah, that's the one I got, but you can get it in other colors like black, blue, metallic, or violet like I got. So when you go into the box, you can see the charging brick. It's not a fast charger, it's a travel charger, so it's not as fast as a fast charger. I think you can get like 50% charge in, I think, 30 minutes or an hour, one of that, something like that. So yeah, that one's there, and you also get your USB cord. Now guys, this is not the usual USB cord. This is a type C USB cord, so it's quite different. It's a different form, so you can't use it in like a regular USB, in regular known USB form. As you can see, it's like flatter. It's quite different from the regular USB cord. So yeah, so it's a type C for the M11, and in other videos it didn't come, the phones didn't come with an earpiece, but this one did, so that's good, I guess. And then at the bottom it has the ejector tool, and yeah, that's all that's in the box. And let's just go on to see the phone. You guys, this is the moment. This is the moment, you guys. So yeah, so you bring it out of the paper nylon. I don't know what it's called, you guys, just forgive me, I have no idea what to call it. And yeah, that's the phone. So this is the phone generally, you guys. It's a nice build, and the camera is way over there, but I think when I put on the phone, you'll be able to see the camera properly. So on the right side of the phone, you have the volume key at the top and the lock key at the bottom. And on the left hand side, you get the SIM tray. I already brought out the SIM tray. So it's a dual SIM phone, and it has space for expandable storage. Now at the back of the phone is a plastic back and a plastic frame as well, while the front is a glass. And at the bottom, there's a microphone, the Type C jack, and the speaker. And at the top, there's another microphone and the head jack for the earpiece. Yeah, so you see the three cameras on the side. Well, it has an ultra wide, a wide, and a normal depth camera. So the wide has a 13 megapixel, the ultra wide has a 5 megapixel, and the depth has 2 megapixel. So putting on the phone, this is the first thing you see on the phone, powered by Android, Samsung Galaxy M11. Moving on. So when it comes on finally, this is what you see. So you can finally, you can finally see the camera and the 6.1-inch display. It's a really, really large display, you guys. Like it's the size of my palm in a weird way. It's really long. And I really like the way the camera is. It gives you this S10 feel, but with it's much cheaper. So you can easily hold the phone in one hand and operate it. It's not so heavy. I mean, it's like 197 grams, and it's not so thick. It's an okay phone, really, guys. I mean, it feels really nice in hand, and I'd really recommend it for someone that's going for a big phone and with really nice specifications, and you just don't want to spend that much money. So we'll just go right into setting it up as well, because I have to set it up. So yeah, moving in, the regular stuff. So you guys, this phone comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour size, and I think that's a really big battery for a Samsung phone. I don't think there are other Samsung phones that come really heavy with that kind of battery, but that's really really cool, you guys. I mean, 5,000 milliamp hour is a lot. And it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor. So it's going to be a really fast phone. It's going to work really well. I feel like this is like the iPhone SE of Samsung. Samsung always releases all this kind of phones that have very good quality and specifications, but for a lower price. So I'm trying now to exchange data from an older phone, my dad's older phone, to this new one. But for some reason I can't find Smart Switch anywhere. So I can't find it anywhere, honestly. Okay, so I can't find it. So maybe I will just go ahead to start the phone up as a new one. I don't know. I really don't know what's going on right now. Maybe we'll just wait. There we go. So I'm not sure what phone this is. I think it's my father's way older phone than this. So I'll just, start the phone up as a new one and, transfer the data much later. So starting it up as a new phone, these are the regular, permissions, Google services, and all the Samsung accounts and all of that you need to fill in. All the extra drama. I actually kind of like this, you guys. Oh my god, are you serious? So this phone has a face recognition, you guys. Are you really kidding me? So it has a face recognition. I did not know that. And it has PIN, password, and all the regular stuff. So I'm also still logging into the Google account. Maybe some of my dad's data can come back. Who knows? I don't know. Hopefully it will. and I also link that to his Samsung account, so we don't have to look for too many passwords. You know, some people don't remember passwords so well, and honestly, I do, but I don't like to, be disturbed or crack my brain for that all the time. So I think I'm done with all the setup, and yay! So you guys, this display is so beautiful. It has a 720 by 1560 pixel display and a 268 ppi density. So this display is really nice, and best part, it actually has dark mode, like, so you can just switch in and out of dark mode from your notification panel like that. So that's really cool. I think Samsung really, brought out everything in this phone for a really low price. And like I said, it's the Android 10, the latest Android operating system, and it has a One UI 2.0, which is peculiar to Android phones and Samsung. So that also helps, with the processor. The phone is equally helps in making the phone really fast. So this is the Android 10. I like to play with this sometimes, so permit me, I wasted a little time on that. So this is like all the information on the Samsung. This is just the basic information on the Samsung that you really need to know. It's a really nice phone, you guys, and it seems to be really fast. I mean, it's a new phone, it has to be. It's supposed to be fast. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I really recommend, if you are into like using your phone often, and you want the latest like specs in phones that come out this 2020, you may consider going for the Samsung. And especially when you don't want to spend like hundreds of thousands getting like an expensive phone and all of that, you really consider going for it. So the cameras I really like, because apparently the cameras, you can actually shoot a full high definition video with them, with the back cameras as well as the front camera, but mostly the back camera because of the three cameras at the back. And I mean, look at this phone, it's really beautiful. I like the color as well. Most times I'll go for a black phone, but Jumia didn't have black at the time, so I just took this one because this is really what they had. And so yeah, this is generally what the phone has, and I hope I'm able to get you to like the phone a little bit. Maybe if you're considering to buy a phone, you can actually now consider this. So you guys, I hope you really like this video, and please like this video, you guys, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll get to do more and better phone reviews. Thank you so much for watching.